Kurigana na riboti iria irekereirio ni rũhonge rwa maabithaa borithi ceceni ya Rwanyambo kaunti ya Nyandarua ni mamurikitwo ni gĩko kĩa magigi thutha wa nda ya mũtumia ũmwe kuuma arĩ ceceni ĩyo ya borithi. Ũhoro wa kĩharĩ ũndũ ũcio hanĩkĩte arĩ moko-inĩ ma borithi.
Pole kwa yale mambo ambayo yalipatikana jana na sisi zote tuliyajua. Hapa tulikuwa na mwanadada mahabusu mmoja ambaye kwa bahati mbaya she miscarried in our cells and it was quite unfortunate. We are very sorry for that one.
Commissioner wa kaunti ya Nyandarua ni ekinyitie ceceni ĩyo kwenjera kĩrĩa kĩrarĩre kĩngĩ.
We are doing our investigation and that is why you've seen me here. We are doing our investigation. All the other we've invited even all the other bodies, oversight bodies, wakuje pia na wafanye investigation because we want it to be fair. We want it to be just. We want justice to prevail for our sister Wangari. So investigations are ongoing.
Kurigana na riboti iria irekereirio ni mwaria wa borithi, abithaa ũrĩa ũrũgamĩrĩire ceceni ĩyo ni arĩkĩtie kũrũgamio wĩra kũhe kanya ũthuthuria ũthiĩ na mbere.
This is a unique incident because of course hata nanyi mnajua it has never happened. It's the first one. And it's in as much as it has happened, it is still a learning curve for us so that we continue improving what we require. But to say we don't have yes, we have personnel and we probably what we need to do is to ensure that when such incidents happen they're addressed according to how they're supposed to be addressed.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.